Steve's opted to bow hunt this weekend. I'm going to be, you know, trying to take a handgun deer. I'm going to be hunting with the Smith & Wesson 44 Magnum Stealth Hunter from the Performance Center. And I've been spending a lot of time shooting this and this summer and learning its nuances, understanding the ballistics of it. And what's unique to this is I'm going to be hunting with a red dot scope. I've never hunted with a red dot. And I've never hunted with this handgun, so I've got two new things that I'm learning and understanding, but both of them have me pretty excited to go to. And the wind is once again dead calm. It's an early morning hunt. And we're just not having any wind, so let it settle down. Probably hunt about 9 or 10 based on the conditions. You know, last time we were in here, we saw a lot of deer show up later in the morning, so that was kind of exciting to include a shooter. So, you know, that's all you can do in this type of situation. I am gonna get 2 different sets of shooting sticks in here today, because what I noticed when that buck came in under yesterday, he was way down there and he came around, and if I'd had some sticks, I might have been able to take a longer shot out that window. And with shooting this handgun, I feel more confident on those longer range shots when I've got those braces set up. So we're gonna settle in there, let the sun come up, see what's out there.